All right, my friends in estate, welcome back to my estate video, guys. People have been asking this question time without number. Is the CEO a real human being? The CEO is a real human being. Okay, that's the simple answer to this question that all of you have been asking, okay, since the inception of estate. Now, our head of agent, Carol Peterson, for those that are in estate and you are keeping in touch with the community of estate, you will know the person I'm talking about. Okay, she is our head of agent. She walked into the office of CEO and met the CEO recording a video for the community. So that alone is a proof that the CEO is a real human being. So I don't want to just stand here and tell you that, but I want to quote what she wrote on her Facebook page. She said, "I walked into Brandon's office today and caught him recording a new video message for the estate community. Some people have asked whether the videos are created by AI. So here is a simple behind the scenes moment recorded on my phone. No studio setup, no filters, just the CEO doing the work, speaking directly to the community and continuing to build estate step by step. The company is real, the work is real, the mission continues." And this is courtesy of Carol Peterson, head of agents in estate. Now, for those of you that don't know Carol, that's her picture there. You can search her up on Google or search her up on Facebook or whatever, right? But this is the CEO recording a video. You can see that the CEO has got, his tripod here with his mobile phone. He was recording a video and Carol walked in on the CEO recording a video in the office, right? And you can see that Carol started recording the CEO while the CEO is actually recording a message for the community. But don't worry, I'm going to play that video very soon. Okay, I'm going to play the video where Carol recorded the CEO doing the recording as well. So let me quickly just play that video just now. So this is the video that the CEO was recording when Carol walked in, and Carol started recording the CEO while he was trying to create a video recording message as well for the community. So sit back and listen. It's only 38 seconds.
Los Angeles commercial property in Phoenix is now fully sold out. The business office property in Los Angeles is also fully sold out. For estate, this is not just a sales result. This is proof that demand for tokenized real estate is real, active, and growing. Our commercial property in Phoenix is now fully sold out. The business office property in Los Angeles is also fully sold out. For estate, this is not just a sales result. This is proof that demand for tokenized real estate is real, active, and growing.
There you go, guys. Did you hear that? I don't know. There is a lot of background noise, but at least you get the message here. Okay, the CEO is real. You can see the shadow casting at the back of his office chair, right? And that's his camera there recording, and Carol is somewhere around here, okay, in the office recording the CEO while he is actually doing his recording. So for those of you that are asking if the CEO of estate is real, the answer from this video that Carol made is yes. The CEO Brandon Stephenson is actually a human being, not AI. Okay, guys, I just want to make it clear to people that are asking that question that the CEO you are looking at right now on this thumbnail is a real human being. Okay, and it is actively taking the community step by step, teaching everybody how to own a fractional real estate and how we can earn from purchasing fractional real estate. All right. So this video should serve as a proof that the CEO is a real human being. For those of you that have not met the CEO, you should try as much as possible to organize yourself and attend one of the live events so that you will have the opportunity to meet the management of estate guys. You saw that video, right? You saw him recording in his office, and then you saw Carol, or you noticed, because Carol wasn't showing in the video anyway, but you noticed that she was using a mobile phone as well to record the CEO while CEO is doing his recording as well. So yes, the answer is the CEO is a real human being. All right. I hope this video helps you to understand that he is a human being. So yes, this is it. Thank you and God bless.